on this look that I am wearing. So I just filmed the eyes and not the face. And I'm going to use one palette, which is the Morphe 35F palette, which looks like this or like this. Super, super, super pretty. So if you have this palette, grab it and get ready with me. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my Sharp Tape Concealer on my eyes as my base. And I'm just going to use my fingers to blend all of that out. And with this eyeshadow brush right here, which is the Morphe 511, I'm going to use this color to set my eyes. That way I won't get any creasing or anything like that. This has a little bit of a tint, but that's okay. It's going to work with the eyeshadow that we're going for. With the same brush, I'm going to grab this color and I'm going to use this as my transition color. So above the crease, on the crease, just blend it all out slowly but surely, because if you apply too much, it's going to be really hard to blend out and you don't want harsh lines. So slowly build up the color. That is the key. Now with a brush like this one, which is the Morphe 4533, I'm going to use this color on my crease again, slowly building up that color, because if you apply way too much, it's going to be really hard to blend. And not only that, but this palette is very pigmented, so trust me, just slowly work up to the color that you're looking for. Now with the same brush, I'm going to grab this type of brown and I'm going to put this on the outer part of the eye. That's the main focus where this color is going. It's going to blend all together, but I'm focusing it more to be kind of like a V shaped in a way, but nothing too crazy. Now with this brush here, which is the Morphe 224, this is a concealer brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my eyelid, kind of creating a very soft, subtle cut crease, nothing too crazy. I'm still not really good at cut creases, but this kind of creates one, so it's all good. And then I'm gonna use this brush here, which is the Morphe 514 brush, and I'm using that same brown and then just blending out any harsh lines. With a flat eyeshadow brush like this one, I'm gonna grab that gold, and I'm just gonna pack it on until I am satisfied with the color. Now, putting that like concealer on the eyelid kind of helps it stick and kind of makes it a little bit metallic-y even more. It's kind of like when you wet an eyeshadow brush. Now with the same brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out any harsh lines because we don't want that, honey. You want it all to be blended. Now with this brush here, which is the Morphe 36 brush, I'm just popping on that color on the inner corner of the eye, giving it that pop, that glow. It looks really good. I'm so digging that. Now with the same brush, I'm grabbing that brown and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. This is the time where you want to smoke out this eyeshadow. I personally feel like whenever you do eyeshadow, you should always apply on the lower lash line because it's going to help blend, smoke it out, make it all look together. But that's just my preference. Not everybody does it. Now with a brush like this one, which is the Morphe 506, I'm going to go ahead and grab that brown and just smoke it out even more to darken it up. And then with a eyeliner like this one, this is a pencil. It's like a bronzy color. Any brown would do. I just don't want to put black because for me, on my eyes, I don't really like black. So a brown bronzy like this one is definitely going to work for me. Putting that on the bottom and on the top. And now with this L'Oreal eyeliner, I'm just going to go ahead and line my lash line. I don't want to apply this like a wing eyeliner because I don't want the focus to be taken off of the eyelid. And just applying a thin line is going to help blend the eyelash line, so it's going to be all good. Now time to curl my lashes. Any eyelash curler will do. I actually need a new one. And then for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation in black. And this mascara is actually pretty good. I'm really digging it. I'm not hating the smell, but it definitely has a smell to it, so I don't think it's for everybody. Now for the lashes, I'm using the Be Bella Cosmetics lashes. I've never ever heard of this brand before until I bought them. I don't know if they're real or not. If you live in the Southgate, Linwood, Compton area, if you go to Plaza Mexico, that's where I bought them, so I don't know if they're legit or not. But then after that, apply mascara on your lower lash line and the look is complete.
You're wondering, we're waiting, when does our life begin? I'm flying, you're walking.
I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Drop a beautiful comment down below. Let me know, do you guys own this palette? What are your thoughts on the palette? Did you guys like this look? Just comment down below. I love to interact with you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.